Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Lyra harp. I have never played a harp before. I've never actually even seen a harp before, I think, except for maybe in a movie or maybe a cartoon. So we're gonna check this out over here, that it's easy for anyone from beginner, intermediate, advanced, or professional. So we're gonna check this out and see how easy it is to play. Ooh, so this is the first little tool that pops out. I'm assuming this is how you like crank up the, to make the strings tighter. And everything comes in this bag right here. I'm so excited to check this out. Ooh, it's stunning. The wood is beautiful. Oh wow, okay. So, that's my first attempt. Okay, let's see if there's instructions in here. There's a little zipper in the back. Yes, perfect. And then of course, the 101 along with a strap for this bag so you can carry it across your shoulders. And oh wow, it comes with extra strings as well in case one breaks. And picks over here. And let me just tell you, I've never learned music before ever. So I'm not like musically talented at all, just as a warning. So if you have like a musical bone in your body, it'll probably be faster than me picking this up. Okay, well, if you wanted to, you could tune your, well, actually what you're supposed to do is tune your harp, like, you know, with that tool that we just saw, because I really don't know how to tune it. You can download a tuner, and these are the tuners that they recommend, but I'm just gonna play something. Oh, it says right here. That way you can see, you know, make sure that it's like in tune. Oh, and they also come with two different harps. So one has a 10 string and one is a 16 string. This one that I have is the 16 string harp. But if you wanted to, as I said, there's less strings that you can use. All right, let's go ahead and play a song. So this is how you're supposed to hold the harp. Let me just grab one of these picks first and foremost. Let's go with the gray one so you can see what I'm doing. So you're supposed to hold it like this. Basically braces against your body, the flat part, and then the round part is where you hold. Play freely with your right hand if you're right-handed. Avoid touching unnecessary strings. And then you can also play with both hands. Oh, okay, so if you want to play with both hands, you can play like here, and then here as you rest it against your body. Okay, this is the sheet music. Oh, happy birthday to you. Okay, so 5, 5. All right. Okay, so at the back of the book, there are like, you know, different notes and stuff like that. You can play like Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars. So that's what I'm gonna attempt to do right now. There's like a bunch of numbers. So there's corresponding numbers over here where it says what the numbers are and stuff like that. But I'm super confused because there's a 0 right here, but then there's no 0 over here. So I don't know what the note that is, and I don't even know if I should play the first line or the second line or what all these numbers are. But I'm just gonna try to put it together. So I wrote down really quickly what is 1, what is 5, and so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna play that and hopefully it works. And I didn't even tune it, so I hope it sounds good. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so this is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay, see. Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay, that just sounds like totally not right. But that's what I came up with, and I really, this itself, if you're like super musically talented, you could probably figure it out. Like, as I said, I don't even know how to read like these numbers. So if someone wants to help me out, that would be great. But that doesn't deter from the fact that this itself is incredibly made for those that are musically talented. And I am going to start practicing because I don't want this little harp to beat me. But if you want to purchase this harp, please make sure to check out the link below. And if you would like to see more product reviews, continue watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.